Hello, welcome to Salas Kitchen. This week I would like to share 7 tips with you. For a change we would be doing this in English. So come, let's get started.
Tip 1, onions. You can use this tip to cut thin slices of onions. Cut the onion, peel off the skin, and make sure to remove the edges. Wash them thoroughly and dry them in a tissue paper or towel. Place your onion in an airtight container and refrigerate for around 2 to 3 hours. When you take them out, you'll find that it's very easy to cut thin slices. Tip 2, tomato. Tomato skin is usually a hindrance while eating and has to be removed. We recommend peeling the skin off before cooking to make eating a lot easier. Tip 3, curry leaves. Fill a jar with water and place your curry leaves inside it. This will help keep the curry leaves fresh for up to a week and will also add a comforting feel to your kitchen. It also makes it handy to use. Tip 4, coriander. When you buy coriander, separate the stems and the leaves. Bundle up the stems and tie them using a cloth. You can now use the stems for soups, rasam and sambar and remove them after cooking. Tip 5, ginger. Ginger when made into a powder is very handy to use. So first wash your ginger thoroughly and peel off the skin using a peeler. Cut the ginger into thin slices. Now you can either dry roast them in a pan or sun dry them outside for about 6 hours. Make sure to cover it with a cloth in case you're keeping it outside so the crows don't peck them away. Your ginger will look like this when finished. Now you can powder your ginger and then store it in a bottle and use as and when required. Tip 6, garlic. Garlic is often difficult to peel, but when you soak them in water, it makes it much easier. Using this tip, you can remove the skin off even the most stubborn garlics. Tip 7, brinjal. We all love dosa, but it can be a nightmare when you can't get it off the pan. For this, you can cut the tip of a brinjal, add a drop of oil to your pan, and use it to smear it. This can help remove even the most stubborn dosa.
Hope these tips are useful for you. So I'll see you next week. So until then, bye from me, Visalakshi.